Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says if A equals to this, so they have given us matrix A, find A inverse, and they are asking us to find out A inverse and solve the equation this. So, later you have to solve this equation now. So, first we will try to find out A inverse. You know that A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Okay. So first we will try to find out adjoint of A. Now look at this. So adjoint of A will be equal to, look at this. What we will do? We will start from the innermost bracket, innermost element, and we will write this way. We will move this way, this way, this way, okay, and again this thing, and we will write everything. Okay, now we have to start from -3. So -3, 1, 2, -3, then 1, 1, 5, 1, then 2, -1, -1, 2, and then again same, the point where you have started you have to end there only. -3, 1, 2, -3, done. Now find out the determinant of this thing. So it is -3 -1, so it is minus of 4. Then 5 -2, 3. Then 2 plus 15, so it is 17. Then this -1 -2 -3. Then -1 plus 5, 4. Then 10 plus 1, 11. Then 2 minus 3, -1. Then -2 plus 1, -1. Then 3 minus 4, -1. So this is your adjoint. Now you have to find out determinant of A. So determinant of A is what? You have to start from here. -1 times -3 -1, -2 times 2 plus 1, plus 5 times 2 minus 3. So you got things as -4 -1. So it is plus of 4. Then minus of 6. And then minus of 5. So we got things as -2 -7. Okay, so it is -7. So directly now you can write down A inverse as 1 by 7 minus, okay, and then you have to write down -4 -3 -1 3 4 -1 17 11 and -1. Okay, so this is your A inverse. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now suppose that we got our question done till this part. Now we have this thing. So look at this, how we will write linear equation in matrix form. I will copy paste the question. Okay, now look at this part. So we got our equation this way. Yes. Okay, now I feel that we guys can write down ax equals to b. Now who is a? A is the coefficient of variable matrix. So it is -1, then 2, then 5, 2, -3, 1, -1, 1 and 1. This is your coefficient of variables. Now who is x? X is the variables used. So right now we have used three variable x, y and z. So this is the thing. Who is b? B is the constant matrix 2, 15, -3. You guys can write down this thing this way. Now suppose that you are not comfortable in writing this. You know that this is 3 cross 3 matrix, 3 rows, 3 column, 3 rows, 1 column. So at the end you will get 3 cross 1 matrix. Now look at this. So how we will proceed? Try to understand. You suppose that you need to multiply. So you will multiply this with this, means -x plus 2y plus 5z. So this would be the first element and this will be equal to 2, which is the same thing na. Okay, so you guys can write down your matrix in this form. I hope this idea is clear. Okay, now look at this. Who is this thing? Don't you think that this was the same matrix? Yes, it was. Correct na? So we already know who is A inverse. Now I will help you to find out how A inverse helps us to solve linear equations. Now look at this. As you guys are aware of this idea, Ax equals to B. Now suppose that we know A inverse and we have pre-multiply both sides by A inverse. So it is A inverse A x is equal to A inverse B. You know that order matters. Okay, that's why we are doing pre-multiply. Now A inverse into A will become what? Identity. So x will become what? A inverse times B matrix. Now you already know who is A inverse. So minus of 1 by 7, I will be using A inverse, -4, -3, -1, 3, 4, -1, 3, 4, -1, 17, 11, -1, 17, 11, -1. So this is your A inverse. Now we will use B. So 2, 15, -3. Okay, let's multiply. So we have to multiply. So we will multiply this with this. Okay. Now look at this. So minus of 1 by 7 and we will get -8 plus 45 minus 51. Okay. Then -6 plus 60 and then minus of 33. Then -2 minus 15 plus 3. Do little bit more simplification, -1 by 7. Okay, so these two things will become -6. Okay, so it is -6 and -8, so it will become minus of 14. Okay, now this thing will become, wait, I will club this and this, so it will become 39. Okay, so it will become 21 plus of 21. Now this is 12, 14, so it will become minus of 14. Comfortable? Now let's multiply. So you know that if you multiply a number to a matrix, you have to multiply it by all the elements. So you will get what? 2 minus 3 and 2. So this is your x, and you know that x was a variable matrix, this. Okay, so who is this x? X is x, y, and z. So can I say that the value of x is 2, the value of y is minus 3, and the value of z is 2. So this way you guys will solve linear equation in 3 variable. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.